Hey y'all, I am back with another video. Welcome to the Simple to Speaker channel where I guide 9 to 5 employees and anybody else to remote cleaning business success. Yes, if you are new to the channel, definitely subscribe to the channel if you find value in this video, and I'm going to put that in the end as well. Give me a thumbs up. If you know I'm going to give you some value, you've seen my other videos, give me a thumbs up as well. If you check the details of this video, you will see my TikTok where I drop TikTok videos every day. You will see my calendar link where you can book a call with me. I am doing free one-on-one calls now. Check out my ebook. You can check out my ebook as well. With my ebook, you can buy that if you want to actually go through and kind of do it yourself cleaning business. And if you have any questions, like I said, you can book a call. Once again, thank you for being here. I think I said everything once again that I said in my last video. I have my thrift jacket. Yes, my thrift jacket. I got it from a friend that does a lot of thrifting. Great jacket. White mocha coffee. Ice. But yes, so today I want to talk about a cleaning business success. Sorry, a cleaning business secret that led to success for me, right? This is a secret that will lead to success for anybody in their remote cleaning business, right? So we're going to say remote cleaning biz secret. This is the secret sauce of the remote cleaning business. This is something that I had to learn from a mentor. And once I learned this, I realized it because I started, not only was I analyzing my own efforts, but I started, watching testimonials and client videos from other people. And this is what I realized, right? So not only was I told this by someone that's doing better than me within the industry, but I actually seen it with other people as well. And this is the secret sauce. Secret sauce. Okay. Can I get a drum roll, please? I don't know if you guys heard that. Reoccurring revenue. This is the secret sauce to making a lot of money within your cleaning business. I promise, right? And I'll be honest with you, right? I want to give you guys on. I don't have anything to lose by being honest with you guys. A lot of times you'll see people do, let's say, 50K for the month. Let's say you see someone do 50K revenue for the month, right? And a lot of times, you know what that really is, right? A lot of times they're doing, and we're breaking that down. A lot of times the breakdown for that is they're doing 35K in, we'll call it RR, and reoccurring revenue, and they're doing 15K in new rev. And that's a big difference. That's a big difference, right? That's a whole different that we're talking about. Reoccurring rev and new rev, right? To make 50K in new rev, right? It's not impossible, but obviously, there's going to be a lot of work that's going to go into that. But the goal is, right, is that reoccurring revenue, man. This is important. And the reason that is important because you start off, and this is how you make a lot of money within the reoccurring revenue. I mean, not within the reoccurring revenue. This is how you make a lot of money within the remote cleaning business, right? You start off the month with $35,000 on the books already, on the calendar already. That's a beaut. I don't think you guys understand how beautiful of a feeling that is. Going into the next month and knowing that there's $40,000 worth of revenue already on your calendar. And so the beauty of this is, let's say that I'm knowing that I'm starting the month, right? Let's say we're starting the month with 35K recurring rev. So we know that, let's say, we'll do simple math. It just depends on your business, right? And let's say that within your 35K, right? Let's say that you usually tend to have a profit margin because, remember, it is recurring revenue. So there's going to be already profit there. There's going to be like a reoccurring profit, right? And let's say you're about a 30%, right? Let's say you're able to get 30, you keep 30% of that, right? Then it sounds crazy because I know we say, you want to keep 50 to 45 to 55% of the booking, but remember, it's different with reoccurring, right? You're giving your clients a cheaper price to keep them reoccurring. So when we're doing reoccurring, really you want to keep on a reoccurring revenue, you want to be able to keep 20 to 30% of that, right? 20 to 30%. I would say 25 to 30% is what you want to be able to keep from the reoccurring, the reoccurring client. It's after you pay out your cleaners. So we'll split it. We'll go 25. We'll go 25 actually. Actually, let's dream big, right? Or let's think big. So we'll go 30%. So then we're gonna say, okay, we're gonna multiply that by 30%. That keeps our, I'm gonna say, reoccurring profit. So RP, what does that keep it at? Let's get these numbers going, right? So we say we're doing 35,000 times 30%. Okay, so that means we know what 10.5. Yep, 10.5. So that means we know, starting off the month in profit, if we were to do nothing, if we were to do no marketing, if we were to do no new follow-ups, no nothing, we know that for the month profit we have 10,500 coming in. And that's why reoccurring revenue is so important. Oh my God. When I mean this is the secret sauce, I know it sounds maybe very simple, but this is the sauce right here. This is where the real sauce is. Because the thing about it is, the more you can increase. I'm not saying that you don't want to increase the new revenue, the one-time revenue, right? But the more you can increase that reoccurring revenue, you can do nothing. Look, and this is what I mean, right? And in one of my previous videos, we talked about how to get paid, right? So let's look at this, right? Let's say, so we know it's 10.5. I'm gonna just kind of do a little bit of math, right? Let's say we pay ourselves 20% of revenue. We pay ourselves 20% of the revenue, right? So let's do some more math, right? We're gonna say 35K times 20%. 35K times 20%. Let's do some more math. 35,000 times 20%. That's 7,000. Right? So just off of reoccurring revenue, just having a $35,000 reoccurring revenue, right? We can get paid $7,000. That leaves what? That leaves still $3,500 floating, right? But mind you, we have a low overhead cost, and this is if we were to have done no marketing. So we're not putting any marketing money into Google or Yelp or Thumbtack or whatever. This is just reoccurring revenue that we built. Say at 35K, we say, well, hey, we're not gonna do any marketing this month, right? We're not gonna do any marketing this month. Excuse me, the coffee be getting me. We're still gonna make $7,000 for the month for ourselves. $3,500 left, right? And now I'm gonna get a little bit more into it. Let's say that we say, okay, we are gonna do a little bit of marketing. We're not doing a lot, right? We're just gonna do $1,000 in marketing, just to bring in some new clients. So we're just gonna spend an extra $1,000. Nothing crazy. We're just gonna do $1,000. Want to bring in some new clients, but we want to just kind of keep operating very small. We have $35,000 on the calendar anyway. Even then, mind you, $1,000 can obviously make its own profit to pay for itself. But even if it doesn't, right? Let's say it doesn't, we still have 35,000. So let's say we minus 1,000 for we just want to bring in some new clients. We're still looking at $2,500 left. We're still looking at $2,500 left, right? So and let's just say with the reoccurring revenue, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I don't think you understand. It is beautiful. I love it. And so I won't go into too much detail. I just want to do a breakdown on why that would be good, right? Why that would be good is like if we wanted to, we could, with $35,000 reoccurring, we could pause operations completely and still be able to at least do $5,000 to $7,000 in owner's pay for ourselves. We would still be able to do a nice salary for ourselves, $60,000 to $70,000 salary, maybe even more. Pretty sure it's more if you pay yourself $7,000, and we can have enough money to put $1,000 just in marketing just to bring in new clients. Mind you, that marketing is more than likely going to pay for itself, right? But even if it didn't, we could always take out whatever the balance was for that $3,500. We still have enough money to put in our tax account and our profit account as well. All right, and you don't even have to worry about operating expenses because we're not running real marketing. If we're not running any marketing, our software costs should be anywhere between $200 and $300. So that's why I said recurring revenue is the real sauce. It's the real secret. If I'm not worried about whether you can increase this. This is not what I'm worrying about. What you should be worrying about increasing. This is cool, but this is what you should be focusing on. This, the recurring revenue, increasing that will completely change the game for you, right? Like we're talking about $35,000-$40,000 in recurring revenue. You can literally do no marketing and still make a great salary. You just want to obviously be bringing in clients, because obviously clients don't stay with you forever. And that's why you need to obviously figure out what's the lifetime value of your clients. But recurring revenue is the secret sauce. With that being said, if you like this video, if you found value from this video, give me a thumbs up, please. Thumbs up. Don't forget, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Once again, the calendar, the ebook link, and my TikTok will all be in this video, in the comment, not the comment section, the detail section. Hit the bell for notification if you want to get a notification when I drop a video. It's Tuesday, Thursday at 6 p.m. And just, I'm looking forward to helping everybody. I really want to get everybody within a remote cleaning business, because like it's more than enough clients out there for everybody. And I know it's a cleaning business. Doesn't sound exciting as starting like an AI or software company or a SaaS company, but there's money in this. Right? Just like HVAC, plumbing, cleaning, there's money in these boring businesses. And just like that, you can see how you can make $7,000 to $10,000 probably doing little to no work. Little to no work, right? So definitely watch the rest of my videos. Like I said, check out my previous videos, check out my TikTok videos. Anywhere I drop content, just check it out. And you would learn about the business. And then, yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me as well. And I'm looking forward to hearing from everybody. Comment if you have any questions as well. And yeah, with that being said, peace.